All right, unboxing of Advanced Fuel Dynamics Flex Fuel for the C5 Corvette 2002 model. Yeah, really nice kit, y'all. Everybody knows what you pay for these things. You do get a discount. They offer a discount on some of them, the 10%, but you got to ask for it, and, it's not 100%, but, talk to them about it. But I opened it up already, and yeah, it's really nice, They give you a little directions card, what not to do. Well, not directions. All right, the directions to install this kit, you're gonna have to go to their site and download a instruction manual. But you do get the wiring harness for all your injectors, your fuel sensor, and let's see, you get the ProFlex Commander Pro. This is the Pro model, because I do have some plans. They do give you some nice stickers, 2 of them. Very nice. And here's your fuel lines. 1 fuel line, 2 fuel line. And that's about it. It does say, you drop or break anything. The harness is it's a very nice harness, but you do drop it. It's a $200 repair fee. Very nice kit, man. So I'm gonna get this installed. Said it takes an hour to install it. I'm gonna do a little video to install and go from there. It says unplug all your injectors, and your new injector harness is going to tuck in behind. Let's get started. We'll get all the injectors unplugged. Be careful with your harness. Get your harness laid out. They said the long side's going to go to the driver's side. And take your time, y'all. There shouldn't be no rush for this. Well, not hooked up yet. You can see flex fuel there. I just put that pin there it's not doing anything. I got all my injectors wire tied, the new fuel line. So you're just going to put this harness in between your other injectors. Yeah, that's all you're going to do. It's going to unplug your injector, plug the new one in, and then plug your old one into their plug. And zip tie it, clean it up, where you can get it back together. And you can see the plug here runs over there. And I'll show you my ground. All right, ground here. Here's the main computer. You're not supposed to plug this in. They said crank the car, check everything 2 or 3 times, crank it 2 or 3 times, and then plug this in, and it's ready to go. So anyway, all zip tied, cleaned up. About to put my covers back on it and do some little test fire, see what it does. Okay, they said if there's no check engine light, everything's good. And I have no check engine light. She's smoking because I had some engine cleaner on her. I need when I took it apart, I just sprayed some engine cleaner, so that'll go away. But yeah, all right, so let me kill it, plug it in, and check it again. I plugged it in. Let's go put some fuel in it, see what's up. All right, I got a few people asking about the E85 update. No, I don't have one yet because I haven't put E85 flex fuel in it yet. So I didn't realize my town don't sell E85, so it's 12 miles away south to pick some up. But I have a good friend of mine, EJ, gonna bring me some by tomorrow, and I'll be able to get a good test to give y'all a good feel of what it's like. As far as installation goes, very straightforward, all plug and play. Clean it up with some zip ties and you're good, man. All right, y'all. All right, I put 5 gallons of E85 in it. My boy EJ came through and dropped me off 5 gallons, so I'm gonna do a little test just to ride around, see any difference. I ran it down to the lowest I've ever run this car, down on the red by E. That's the lowest I ever had this car on gas, and then that's how much E85 I got in. Okay, I'm gonna give y'all an update on the E85. Yes, I noticed a difference. I couldn't do too much of pull on the interstate or nothing like that, but around town, I love it. I'm enjoying her. The Pro kit, I can add stuff to it from what I hear. I still got to look into it to see I'm not 100% familiar with flex fuel, so y'all stay tuned and follow, watch, share, do what y'all do best. Thanks for watching. Y'all have a good day.